Hi, in this video we will see how we can create our first Google search campaign. If you are new to the ecosystem of Google Ads and digital marketing, this is the right video for you. My name is Chris and for the past few years I am working as a digital marketer. So let's begin. So this is the full dashboard of the Google Ads where you can make all the customization you want on the campaigns on the account level. You have all these features up right here and you will be able to see your campaigns right here. You can change the view from here, whatever is more easy for you. And for now, let's create our new campaign. The best way for me to describe you an example is by making an example. So in our hypothesis, we may have a customer that he may be a plumber. So what we want is to give to our clients the best possible options. For example, we have to take in mind what may be a customer of his, what problem and what has he needs. For example, maybe his faucet has a leak and he needs a plumber to fix it. So with this in mind, we can begin right now. We will hit the blue button, the new campaign, and what we want is customer users to make. So the first step is to choose our objective of the campaign. We have these 8 options right here, and in our example we will go with website traffic. Next we have to select the campaign type. For our example we will go with a search campaign because we need it so when a user searches something on the Google search bar, the relevant results or ads will pop up. Here we will need to put the domain name of the website. And here we can set the traffic conversion calls, which we can also set them up later. Also, we will need to have a name for the campaign. For example, will be search campaign, and because our client is Arizona, we may have it like this, the name of the campaign. We will leave the turn on enhanced conversion on, and we continue to our next step. For our bidding strategy, depending on if we have set up the Google Analytics 4 or Google Tag Manager and we have set some events and conversion on our website, we will go with conversion or we'll go with clicks. If it's a completely new account, I would recommend to go with clicks, especially if you don't have set up any type of conversions. You can set a maximum cost per click bid limit. For example, you won't be charged for more €2 per click, so that will be the upper limit. Here, this is the customer acquisition section. If you want to check it, I wouldn't recommend that, especially from the start. I would go with this only if you had more than one campaigns and the Google Ad account has a lot of data. Otherwise, it will have a really bad effect to your campaigns. In the next step, we set the networks. For example, we want our search campaign to launch on the search network, including the Google Search Partners, or on the display network. In our case, we would go with only the search network. Here you can get a little more information, so you can check more on that later. We will go with the location from here. We can go to the advanced search and we will target our campaign to be shown on Arizona. We want only English devices. And next we are in our ad group. we have the domain name. These keywords results are from Google, so maybe, for example, some of them we won't need them. Let's keep the 3 first. We may need to have the 3 first keywords are in broad match. We may need to have one more keyword, for example plumber, or one more like plumber in Arizona. And one last one that will be also in the phrase match, plumber near me. And we will continue. Next, we have to set up the headlines and descriptions. We can write down up to 15 headlines, different headlines. That's really important, and 4 descriptions. For example, what Google recommends are something like this. We can also put like plumber in Arizona, affordable services, etc. etc. Also in the description, how to clean your garbage disposal with a booster. This one I don't like it, for example. Give us a call and we will come. And we will come to you. These are some assets that you can also update later, so we may set them right here, but it will be more easy and efficient to set them on the campaign level from the asset in the following steps. Now we have one of the most serious sections, the budget section. In this example, the recommended budget from Google is almost $450, and we would like to set it. For example, our customer, he won't be able to support this much amount, so we will go with a lower. We get some predictions from Google as well, and with the current settings we can see that our optimization score is almost 22%. That's, depending on the situation, it's pretty much irrelevant. And now we have our campaign up and running. So pretty much that was most of the basic campaign settings for our campaign, for our sales campaign. One thing that I mentioned earlier, from here in the assets you can put a lot of different assets like business name, logo, site link, callouts, even lead forms. You can put your location. For that one you have to connect Google My Business account. Also, for the business name and the business logo, you will need to make the advertiser verification to enable these 2 assets. So pretty much that was the basic settings for a new Google search campaign. If you have any question, you can comment on the section below and I will reply. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I will see you on the next video.